What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to change your Afterpay email address. So if for whatever reason you want to change your email address on Afterpay, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first method is to use the Afterpay website. So what you want to do is first log into your Afterpay account on the website. Click on your profile picture or initials at the top right corner, then select accounts from the drop down menu. Click on personal details, click on edits, and then click enter your new email address and confirm it by re-entering it in the next field. Click save changes, and that's done. Your email address is successfully changed. The second method is to do so on the Afterpay mobile app. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open the mobile app and log into your account, and then tap on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. Then you want to tap account, tap personal details, tap on the edit button next to your email address, and then enter the new email address and confirm that by re-entering it in the next field. Then you click save changes, and that's it. Your email address is successfully changed. Now there are some requirements to doing this. So Afterpay may send a verification email to your new email address to confirm the change. You may need to enter your Afterpay password to confirm that change. And of course, I got a couple of other tips for you guys. And if you have outstanding orders or payment with merchants, you're gonna want to update your email address with them to ensure that you receive important notifications. Because if you don't, they might end up sending it to the old email address, and that's the whole thing. So if you're changing your email address, just do take note that you have to update your email address with outstanding orders and merchants and stuff. So the second is to check your email settings. So you got to ensure your new email address is able to receive emails from Afterpay. So once that is done, so you won't have to worry about missing an important email. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you found it useful, then please leave a like on the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought about it, share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done all that already, because your subscription helps us out a lot. And of course, please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.